I just finished unsoldering all the connections to the multi-section electrolytic can capacitor here on my Hammond AO-41 Vibrato amplifier. If I show you the back here, you can see quite clearly that it was a pain in the ass to get off, and I had to remove a lot of wires. Look at all that stuff I had to take out. So now I should be able to twist these terminals straight. Today I am deep in the process of restuffing this original multi-section aluminum can capacitor. Very difficult, and what started off as something simple has once again turned into a very difficult and time-consuming process. Up to this point, I have taken off the base from the actual capacitor, pulled out all the electrolytic material. I had to figure out how I was going to mount the actual capacitor to this base so that it would still function the same from these terminals, because I'm going by pictures here. All the pictures I've taken and all the video I've taken, schematics aside, everything is visual for me. So I'm going to take this capacitor here. This right here is a replacement for the 50 microfarad 400 volt capacitor. If you look on here, the half circle and the square are the 50 microfarad capacitors. So the half circle is right here. So that means the positive will be right through there and the negative through there. Just like that. And then if I take the can, that won't fit. It's going to be too tall. So I'm going to use the proper tools on camera. That might be a wise idea. We don't want to give anybody bad habits. I've shortened my leads here, so, and also I'm still going to have to drill a hole through here. It has to be done. I'm going to have to change my bit here because it just grinded down the tip. Sorry, Keith. Anyways. Today I'm going to keep you up to date on the progress of my vintage 1964 Hammond L-103 spin-out organ, including the main AO-43 amplifier, the AO-41 Vibrato amplifier, and the percussion amplifier. All of this resulted not only from wanting to restore the organ itself, but trying to eliminate the hum that occurs whenever the organ runs for more than 5 or 10 minutes at one time. Now, since I've done this, I get a hum right when I power up. But if I turn it off and then turn it back on, the hum subsides. So I'm getting there. I'm getting very close. There's also an electrolytic I'm very suspicious about that's right up here above the switch panel cover. I'll probably try to get to that next. Now I'm not going to bother with putting the cover on right now. This is purely a video log. I wanted to share the first power up with you. So if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. If it blows up, I'll just have to get another vibrato out. Vibrato. You can hear the hum. Yeah, it's working great. All I really need to do now is clean up some of my solder connections. They're a little amateurish, I know, but nobody does this kind of stuff anymore, so we're all learning, aren't we? But I'm really glad this works now the way it should. Smells good.